Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use GuildBro. First, you have to authorize through your Discord, and then you get to the loading screen. If you haven't created a character yet, the website will ask you to put in your in-game name, your archetype, your weapons, and your prime time. Then write down your gear score and upload your character's screenshots with your gear score visible. If you want, you can upload up to 4 screenshots. Last checkbox is for selecting whenever you want other players to be able to see your screenshots. In any case, guild leader and advisors will be able to see it to do gear check, so it impacts only visibility from other guild members. At this moment, you're not part of any guild. So for example, let's press the join community button and choose the GuildBro community. Then select a character and the guild you want to join in that community. On this screen, in my character section, you will be able to see that your application is currently pending. The guildmaster who registered the guild or any of the advisors of that guild will be able to see a pending invitation. Then they can choose the role as well as give any additional community roles set up by the guild and any extra comments for that player. For example, this player uses Wand and Bow, which is one of the roles that gives players extra DKP in this specific guild. However, as I mentioned before, those roles are not defaults, so right now I will show you how to set them up. The DKP received by a player will be affected by the coefficient of their role. For example, a player with SNSGS will get 10% more DKP than other players for same activities. That coefficient can also be negative. For example, for players who come late to the events very often, you can give them negative 5% DKP, which will result in them accumulating DKP slower than other players.